Hi, I'm Dr. Butterfield. I want to talk about what does naturopathic healthcare look like. If you're going to come to a naturopathic doctor, what kind of care can you expect to get? Well, the answer is that can vary quite a bit because naturopathy is an eclectic profession that uses many different tools. So at my school, we had a very strong Chinese medicine program. We had a strong homeopathic program. And then, I got really into physical medicine, applied kinesiology. There's all these different types of modalities and systems, but they all have something in common. And I would say that true naturopathic medicine is what we call vitalistic. So we're trying to work with the body, and the body has an innate healing power, and it just has certain requirements that are necessary in order for that power to work. So you need certain raw materials that you can get largely from your food. We have to avoid excess toxicity and things like that. So we have to meet all these requirements and these standards in order for your body to really function the way that it was designed. So I've seen a little bit of a disconnect when people come into clinic and they're wanting to work on their health, and oftentimes they're expecting a quick solution right away, and they'll say, "Oh, well, when are we going to start?" I say, "Well, we already did. We talked about drinking water. You need to move your body. We need to stop all caffeine, alcohol, and sugar." That's pretty common. I'll start off with those three things. You need, for at least a week, we need to stop that. Your care has been initiated. That's really where most of the therapeutics are going to come in, are in your diet and lifestyle, and that's the only way you're going to get long-term success, is by doing that. So if someone's coming in expecting it, they're thinking that it's going to be like going to the medical doctor who gives them a prescription, and they go to the pharmacy and they fill it, and they're going to get immediate relief by taking this drug. Well, that system didn't work, and that's probably why you're coming to me as a naturopathic doctor, okay? So it's not just you show up, I give you some sort of herbal or nutritional product, and it's going to make all your problems go away. We need to make sure you're sleeping well, you're not eating garbage, you're moving your body, you're drinking water, you're having good bowel movements. So these basic functions matter. And you're not going to get the results that you want unless we have those things in place. So that's part of it. So generally, I just want to make sure that that's a clear expectation, is that you're going to show up and you're going to be willing to do a little bit of work, because if you change nothing, nothing will change. So there's a reason that you're sick or you're having health troubles, and many people are doing a lot of great things. I've actually been very impressed with some of my patients that do a great job with those things. And so there's just a few things we have to tweak or we have to figure out, and then doing some of these therapeutic interventions. So I do the applied kinesiology. That's going to bridge the gap and make it so that when you do the right diet and lifestyle, you're going to get the results that you deserve. I do some targeted supplements and nutrition. It really helps to have a professional for that, because there's so many different nutritional products. There's probably not just like drugs. I mean, there's tons of money in drugs, but there's a lot of money in supplements too. And so there's so many different supplement companies and different products. It can be very difficult to navigate, and a lot of them are very low quality. Just like McDonald's or something, they want to do the cheapest quality of substrates of whatever they're putting in the supplements. They want to do the cheapest possible so they can have the most profit, the most markup. So you really want high quality products. So we try and do products that are as economical as possible. I think we do a great job of that in our clinic. But yeah, so those are some of the different elements. It's typically not a quick fix. Now, sometimes we do. I had one gal come in today. She had problems sleeping, problems with energy, problem with migraines, and fairly severe. And it only took a few weeks, and she's almost totally resolved. It's really great success. And she'd been dealing with that for a long time. So I really think that we can make a lot of progress in what I consider a short amount of time, which can be, we can accomplish a lot in 6 weeks. You definitely should be feeling better within 2 or 3 or 4 weeks, but can get quite a bit done in 6 weeks. Now, some people need quite a bit more. If you've got this chronic long-term condition, maybe take 3 or 6 months, depending on how long you've been struggling with that. But in my mind, it's a very short amount of time. You put in effort for a few weeks and you can actually get some decent results. And then to get as far as you want to get, it'll probably take several weeks. Just depends person to person, okay? But just don't expect a quick fix. That's not naturopathic medicine. That's really, you're looking at doing the medical model and trying to do it with, we call that green allopathy. You're trying to use naturopathic medicine in the medical model, and it doesn't really work. That's not how it's designed. So I just want to help clarify, give people some expectations and know that what it is, and how much are you willing to invest in your health, and not just talking about money, but with effort, with figuring out shopping and cooking and figuring out the lifestyle that's going to help you and your family be healthy. It's going to take a little bit of investment if you don't have a handle on those things. It's worth it though. I think there has huge dividends, and not only is it expensive for you, but our poor health is bankrupting this country as well. So it's worth the effort of working on your health and feeling good and having great energy and vitality to go live life. Okay, so that's a little bit better look at a naturopathic medicine for you. Hope that was helpful. Give you expectations of what you can expect from care with a naturopath. Thank you.